right in the middle, mate. Middle, mate. Right next to the car, mate. Fucking follow instructions. That's all you gotta fucking do, mate. Hey, gang. Hey, you know what it is? Gang. You know who it is? Alright, there's no more PCX, but there will be another PCX, or there already is another PCX. Just in the making, just got it sorted out, you know. Big give thanks for this year blood clout van, but here where it is. Obviously, man had to take a break from the driving car. You know the driving thing for me is 24/7 and I'm tired, so I got my boy driving put him behind the van today still, you get me? Normally it's him relaxing, but today it's him driving, you get me? So yeah, basically, this is from today. This is the new starting of the new venture still, so white PCX is gone, officially gone. Won't see it again. We've got the exhaust in the back of the Focus. Oh, where we going now? Fucking yeah, what's it, right? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, what's it, right? I was gonna say buses. What's up there? I'm trying to think what's the best way to go. Oh, fucking stay down there. But yeah, oh yeah. You know what the Sainsbury's is? Yeah. Well, I just know all you know Melbourne Grove and them, all them small roads there, look. Yeah. Okay, even go straight. You can go straight still. I should have said you that way still, yeah, so sorry, I have to just concentrate for a second. Yeah. When the fucking Berlingo, fam, we look like some bailiffs, fam. All we need is 2 black boxes on each corner of the fucking vehicle, and then we look like we pass as a bailiff, fam. We're driving. So new content on the new bike. Sorry, bro, bust this left. Yeah, man, look at this. Yeah, man. So yeah, we're getting out. We're in something like that. So we're just gonna go drop this off. Exhaust is gonna be for sale. By the time you see this video, it'll probably be for sale. If it's not sold, then bro, that's a problem. I'm pretty much one of them human beings that can sell to any and everyone. I'm gonna go straight over, yeah. So yeah, if that bike is still here, I mean that exhaust, problem. But yeah. Watch him playing Mario Kart. Watch him with the Mario Kart. Yeah, watch him. Yeah, come on. Alright, car, right now we have to cut up little back roads, car. The whole of the main roads there's got bare roadworks and temporary traffic like some go-karting track. So right now we're just doing up the Bruce Lee on the back roads, just clarting up them humps. So let's see what I'm on. Drives good though, I'm not gonna lie still, he drives good still. See currently right now he's burning 38.1 miles per gallon. You know you feel it struggling, compression. A little bit. Yeah, that fuck the engine more time. Where you are now, JJ Production. JJ Production. So yeah, soon see me on this new bike. So I know you're looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it myself. I can't wait. I need to, as I do this for my insurance. So actually now I start Monday or Monday, man. I can't be bothered. Phone them and told them, well, man got the Domino's bike just on left there. But this is a bad boy bike, Black Panther kind of vibe. That's how we're gonna do it. Now keep wearing shit. Think the rust to our aircon smells stinking of this, brethren. Lock it up. Yeah man, them boy I can drive my blood car. Yeah man, watch him. I'm cut wrong this. Yeah man, I can drive, man. Nah, but deep it, we actually fit the we actually fit the P6 in the back of this. That is actually fucking hard. We actually fit the fucking P6. Let's go on with it. See if he's going to pass his test. You're already a driver, but I wouldn't be making him do this if he didn't have a license. No, don't condone any activities. And I will say, this guy here is a stunt actor, and this is filmed on private roads for anyone gonna chat their bullshit. No, right in the middle, mate. Middle, mate. Right next to the car, mate. Fucking follow instructions. That's all you gotta fucking do, mate.
I'm gonna put you right next to that Focus.
Yes, yeah? Mate, because we've got some moving to do, So let's get out and show them. Don't start. Switch off the engine. Don't switch off the engine, yeah.
Neutral handbrake up there.
Thank you. Yep.
Secure the vehicle, yeah.
Yep, but that's the main thing. That is the main. That is the main. Right, we had some donut GDK. We got some GDK, so yeah. Some GDK, so yeah. You lot, I'm not gonna think this could have fit in this size van. Yeah, it don't look like it would have fit. It don't look like it would have fit at all. It didn't fucking look like it was
No, you'd never believe a PCX.
Nah, mate. Nah, mate.
full
Did that
fucking-
small.
With a full fucking PCX in here, mate. Goodness me.
It never would have thought it would have fucking fit in there. No, you just got. Hey, you reckon I can push this back a bit? The van, you reckon I can push it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, see?
That is what you call strength, mate. Go to the gym, lads.
Don't tell you, man. They don't tell you.
Go to the gym, lads.
Shop when we oh yeah, show them the exhaust, man. That's the exhaust. That's the exhaust we're taking it off.
So this is the old exhaust now.
Calm. So that's the exhaust, the Neo Vince that we took off the GP Racing Corsa. No, it's fine. I got one of my GoPros in this one. Put this back in the van. That's why I said put the head. It's good that you put the head on this side because this was the loose side.
Yeah, yes, I'll
So it was at least sitting there just
hold that in place, innit?
literally.
The Zavette's just cool enough.
Yeah, that's my old one, you know, that one there. Everyone says, why you got the jacket dust down like that? I love the fur, you know. People go mad and over this
Nah, the
week.
fur is lame, bro. I have the grey thing, you know, you see my grey one, innit?
They're like, yo, that's... What no one will tell you is a fucking system to Canada goose, isn't it? But I wear quality.
You know what I mean?
Every school kid is in a Zavette, you know, so I just wear a Uniqlo, man. Simple and... It's like, I like the finish of Uniqlo jackets coming a matte finish, so it's not that shiny or...
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's perfect. I think that's it. Right, let me show you how to park.
Oh yeah.
Try to park.
Go on then, mate.
Try to park. Do not try this at home. I did say this is filmed on private roads with stunt actors, yeah? Did say that. Did say that.
It's got the beat off and all, mate. Little disclaimer for them, you know what I mean?
You got it.
I've got it there, mate, don't worry.
No, I don't want to hear no one complain on the vlog, yeah?
Come on, show us how it's done, mate.
Not sponsored, but here's one if you want one. Not sponsored. There you are, Cam.
Cheers, mate. Just had we had a meal at GDK, highly recommend.
In there smells like fab. Right, I'm gonna go to this. Make sure you get my spin.
Yeah, that seems very smooth to me, mate.
Oh, yeah, it's not that sound though. Fucking now sound like a movie driver, man. Sound like a movie driver. Movie driver. Yeah. And the job is done. Blimey. The job is done. That's yours, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cool, yo.
Shit.
Cool, yo. Now I'm gonna show you my phone. Come in, let's jump in. It got to the point I got so fed up here. I've been trying to do this from yesterday. I was thinking I might just put the fucking back on the back of this here and just fucking.
Yeah.
Whoops, don't lose yours. Let me show you the focus. Focus, I keep saying focus, the punto. Under our bath we got. So there's the punto. A long time I ain't driven that fucker, you know, look at her. She's so ugly, look at her. Cool. Is it the start or not? I think that they've gone in like this, yeah, I can't remember. Fucking hell, it's moldy in there. It's moldy in there, man. In there full of milk, yo. Yo, in there's full of mildew, cuz. Yeah, fam. Fucking hell, bro. That's how long I ain't driven the car. It's just been sitting there, bro. It's full of mildew, like. Fucking no man's land. Okay, now part 2. Back with it still. Those are you. Compared to when we dropped it, 10 times better still. 10 times better. Cuz, this is what man's really got to. Man's got the PCX in the back of this. I just gotta hold it. Yo, I gotta hold it. Man don't wanna scratch it, you get me? Man could have leaned it up and all of that, but you don't wanna scratch it, so. Might see me back on delivery trying to make some peas for this still. Yeah, I ain't got no leg cover. It's gonna be chilly on the willy still. I'm gonna have to go to Decathlon and buy a pair of clothes. Got all the plastics there, so we might have to get some sold. Made back some of the money. Bro, put it alone, I've just spent 7 bills on this bike. That's just one vehicle today, and I've what?
All people shouldn't be allowed to drive.
Yeah, that pissed her off. But yeah, man's gassy. Man's got this back still, so yeah. That vlog that man sent you, yeah, gonna have some. Yeah, gonna have something new today still. I might even jump on it today, ride it today. Yeah, so this is the thing I showed you already. Tires on, starts, everything but the tool screen. Like this one, I'm definitely gonna put the heated grips. Leg cover. Little stickers. I'm gonna do change the engine cover so you can see the clutch. Redo the springs, leave the exhaust, change this, do a tail tidy, make that smaller and neater. Yeah. This is a bike I bought half the price. Now that's our value, double the price. Boy, I got this for a nice drink, fam. I can drink a nice 4 bags right now, you know. Plus them parts there, little 4 bags, 2, 3. Plus our next car. Quick 10 bags, because I need to shut some of these fifths. I'm not gonna lie, I like this. I might keep this. I've always loved PCXs, so I'm gonna keep one still. Yeah, so that's part one. So wait till the first ride comes. Bam! Oh my dude. Yeah, sorry, I did the first ride. Do the first ride, then boom. And I know what it's about. Trust me. I ain't even gonna shot this. I'm gonna shot this right now. Ride it.